What's up everybody, it's your boy Kato back again with another video. On today's video, we're going to be changing these quiet things, making it just a tad bit louder since we're not getting rid of any of the cats. Today we got the MXP Comp RS exhaust. It's a catback exhaust and I'm going to show you how to install it. So without further ado, let's get to it. Hey guys, so here's the underside of the car, so make sure, jack your car up first, put it on some jack stands. Just to be a little safe. Alright, so we got these hangers up here. I already took that one off. And we got two of them. 1, 2, and then 2 on that side. And we have a hanger here. And yeah, so go ahead and put some PB Blaster or something like that on them, so then they can come out a little bit easier. And also those bolts down there, if you can see, we're gonna put some PB Blaster on that. And as well as these ones, just so they can kind of open up a little bit easier. Now while you're letting the hangers sit, you can go ahead and remove these 2 14mm bolts right there, one right there, right there. So these are both 14 mil. Go ahead and remove those. Once you remove those bolts, we're gonna go ahead and tackle these hangers over here on both sides. So go ahead and do that. Yeah guys, I just want to really tell you guys how much PB Blaster helps. I was literally just able, like, this one has PB Blaster on it. Oh, yep, just like that. You can literally just pull it off so easily. So PB Blaster is the way to go if you were trying to get these annoying ass hangers off. All right, so then there's one more hanger here. Wait, let me move him. Get this damn big ass freaking muffler out of my way. All right, so you got one more hanger there. Go ahead and leave that one on. We're gonna go unbolt those now, so let's get to it. All right guys, it's a really tight fit in here, but these are both 14 mil as well, so go ahead and take that off. So just a quick correction, so this part where that you see that big wrench, that's a 14 mil. The back, the nut part, is a 12 mil. All right guys, once you get that unbolted, go ahead and release this hanger now. Just like that, the exhaust is out and the new one's ready to be put in. So now we're gonna take our hangers and put them on the new exhaust. So go ahead, unwrap your new exhaust if you haven't already, and place these hangers into there, for all of them. All right guys, just like that, put the hangers on. So, and now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and throw this pipe on. Go ahead and screw them in down there. And this is the pipe that goes to the front pipe, or the test pipe, whatever they call it. And this is the resonator, so go ahead and do that. All right, so I went ahead and just hand tightened this resonator for now. Now if you have a buddy, go ahead and let them hold it up. Don't let all the tension be on those bolts like I am. Right now we're gonna take this pipe right here and we're gonna go ahead and put it up on the hanger and then clamp it in. I'll go ahead and clamp them in and just hand tighten for now, or like use something just to tighten it loosely for now. Okay, so I got it on. Maybe you should hold off on the hanger and put the hanger in after you connect these ones, but then it'll also be pretty difficult, so it's up to you. I just left in, I stretched as much as I can just to get these connected. So now that we know that, we're gonna throw on the mufflers on here and then connect them to the hangers. You're gonna lightly put the tips on, and then you're gonna adjust the exhaust before tightening it to make sure that's where your tips and everything you want to be is there. Once you get everything adjusted, go ahead and start from the back by the front pipe, test pipe. Make those as tight as you can, and then go down to this first one. Go ahead and tighten it down, and then with a torque wrench, put it to 30 foot-pounds. And then same thing with here. Go ahead and torque it down to 30 foot-pounds, and same thing with your tips, 30 foot-pounds. Now the reason why you want to start from the front pipe, test pipe, and then come back is so that you avoid any leaks. Now that you got everything tightened down, it's time for your first startup. Keep it lifted just so you can make sure that there aren't no leaks. And yeah, let's go for it.